Welcome, class. Today, our session title is Week 3, Session 10, Average Atomic Mass. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to calculate weighted average atomic mass from isotope abundance. Listen for these key terms: isotopic abundance, weighted average, atomic mass, percent, AMU. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. The atomic mass on the periodic table is not usually a whole number because it is a weighted average of naturally occurring isotopes. A more abundant isotope pulls the average closer to its own mass. This is like a class average. One student's score matters, but a large group with similar scores matters more. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Convert percent abundance to decimal form, multiply each isotope mass by its decimal abundance, then add the contributions. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Calculating a weighted average. A sample has 75.0% isotope A with mass 10.0 AMU, and 25.0% isotope B with mass 11.0 AMU. Average mass equals 0.750, 10.0, plus 0.250, 11.0. 7.50 plus 2.75, 10.25 AMU. The answer is closer to 10.0 because isotope A is more abundant. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning. Here is a second example. Chlorine's average atomic mass is about 35.45 AMU, because chlorine 35 is more common than chlorine 37. The average is not 36.00 because the isotopes do not occur in a perfect 50-50 mixture. Now answer this self-check. If 80% of atoms have mass 20 AMU and 20% have mass 22 AMU, what is the average mass? A strong answer should include 24.4 AMU. Hint: use 0.80 times 20 plus 0.20 times 22. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Calculate the average mass for 60.0% mass 24.0 AMU and 40.0% mass 26.0 AMU. Task 2. Explain why average atomic mass can be decimal. Task 3. Predict whether the average is closer to the more abundant or less abundant isotope. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.